popcorn chicken. Let's make some. So I've bought a pack of chicken breast from my local supermarket. I've used 1 lemon and vinegar to wash my chicken. Make sure it's washed nicely, guys. It's up to you if you want to wash yours, but I do wash mine. This is cut into small bite-sized pieces and make sure to season, and I left in my refrigerator to marinate. I had some cornstarch. I'll leave all my seasoning in my description, what I've used and my direction. Guys, this was so easy to do. Remember to like, share, and subscribe to my channel for more. So easy and very tasty. Check out my channel also for more videos. If you want to see my sweet potato pudding, there's a recipe there as well. And this is what it looks like. Let me know in the comments what you think. Thank you for watching.